Welcome to another JPJ Discovery video. Why does the Milky Way galaxy have wings? Not clouds, not auroras. I'm talking about two gigantic invisible lobes ballooning out of the center of our galaxy, the Fermi bubbles. Let's dive in. Each bubble is tens of thousands of light years tall, and together they span about 50,000 light years, roughly half the Milky Way's diameter. Yet you can't see them with your eyes. They only show up in high-energy gamma rays. So how do we know they're real? Orbiting above us is NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. It doesn't see stars the way we do. It catches the universe's most energetic photons. When scientists mapped the gamma-ray sky, they found two bright, symmetrical lobes. And that's just the start of the weirdness. The core of the Milky Way is laced with structures that only show up in different invisible colors. Sweeping radio tendrils, an hourglass of X-ray light. It looks like a crime scene with fingerprints left in 3 different wavelengths. Where did all of this come from? The honest answer: we're not totally sure, but one compelling idea ties it all together. One dramatic event, leaving radio, X-ray, and gamma-ray footprints. Here's the plot. About 6 million years ago, our central black hole, Sagittarius A, had a moment. Compared to monsters elsewhere, SGR-A is usually quiet, basically snacking. But sometimes black holes binge. When a sudden glut of gas or a star gets shredded, the black hole's disk can light up, magnetic fields can twist, and twin jets can fire. Beams of ionized matter launched at near light speed. Astronomers see jets like these in other galaxies. They're not rare. What's tricky is proving our galaxy did it, and when. A recent study used simulations to test a bold idea. A single, powerful outburst, 2 wide, energetic jets, driving shockwaves through hot gas around the center. Think of dropping 2 pebbles into a pond at the same time, but the pond is a halo of superheated plasma, and the ripples are shock fronts moving for thousands of light years. Where the shocks squeezed and heated gas near the core, they carved those hourglass-shaped X-ray structures. Farther out, the shock edges plowed into thinner gas and inflated the Fermi bubbles, the big gamma-ray wings. The whole episode could have burned bright for about 1 million years, then faded, leaving enormous embers in high-energy light. A few million years later, a lighter belch could have inflated smaller radio bubbles, aftershocks of a restless core. Radio, the X-rays, and the gamma rays become 3 pieces of one puzzle. Other ideas exist, like starburst-driven winds, but jets plus shocks explain size, symmetry, temperatures, and crisp edges surprisingly well. 6 million years ago is recent in galactic terms. Early humans were walking Earth while the Milky Way lit up. They never saw it. The glow is in gamma and X-rays, but the sky wore invisible wings. The Fermi bubbles are smoke after a colossal exhale, proof our black hole can shape the entire galaxy. These wings still span half the Milky Way, raining cosmic rays, glowing in energies our eyes can't see, waiting for telescopes to translate their story. So the next time you look up, remember, our galaxy once roared. The sky has wings. We just needed the right kind of light to find them. Thanks for watching. For more deep dives into the invisible universe, you know what to do.